Hello there, this is Amin from Aminet Media. Thanks for joining me today. And today we're going to be looking at some more interactive tools that you can use to work with Coreldraw. Stay with me. Blend interactive tool. That is one of the first other interactive tools we're going to be looking at. Okay, so how it works and how it can help you do great designs. All right, so stay with me. It's going to be interesting. So we go here and choose the blend interactive tool. There are other tools here that we'll be looking at, but let's start with the blend. All right, now the blend interactive tool helps you to blend two objects together to create another unique object from the two objects. So let's try it out. So what you do is click on the first object and drag to the second object. Once you do that, it blends it. All right. I'm going to change the outline here so that you see what it does. All right. Now it has made 20 steps from this one to this one. How do I know that? It's here in the properties bar. So I can actually reduce it or increase it. Let's say I increase it to 50. 50 might be much. All right, it's looking more lovely with 50. So this is what you can do. You can move it around, all right, to anything you want. See, okay, that's one of the ways the blend interactive tool work. You can hold this bow tie looking handle here and toggle with it, all right, and play around with how the blending works. All right, so you can move it back and forth and play around with it and determine the area on which object that the congestion is more. All right, so you can make it equal. You can double click on the bow tie to separate the handles. All right, you can shift to determine the color you want to dominate the most and the object you want to dominate the most. So you can toggle between it. All right, so let's undo right now. Okay, this is just a sample that I'm showing you here. I'm going to show you something else interactive with this blender tool. It actually tries to show a depth of something. You can actually use it to show some kind of a depth. All right, so I'm going to delete this one right now and create another unique object from this. Okay, so I'm going to bring in that color again. Okay, I'm going to color it with my blue as it was colored before. So I'm going to use the blend tool to show you some kind of a trick here, how it shows a depth. All right, so let's choose our blend tool here. First of all, let me go back, hold down on the shift key, drag the object inside and right click to make the new object. All right, so I'm going to make this kind of a gray. All right, I want to make it a yellow. Okay, once I make it a yellow, I'm going to remove the outline of it. Okay, now I'm going to use the blend tool to blend these two perfect circles right now. So I'm going to blend from the inside to the outside. All right, you can see we have some kind of glowing object right here. So I'm going to reduce the glow. Let me choose, well, let me select the inner part of the blend and change the color to a lighter yellow, right? To make my glow more beautiful. Now we are going to do something very interesting. I'm going to make it seem as if we created a pyramid background. Okay, so I'm going to create a new rectangle in here. Once I do that, I'm going to give it a color of black and I'm going to use a pure black. Take it to the back page. All right, so you're seeing this glow right now, glowing very well. Like so you can use those techniques to make bulbs and make moonlights that can glow. Although there are other techniques you can use, but so we're going to blend these already blended objects to this black one to see what we can get, and I promise you what we are going to get is very wonderful. So let's do it right now. So I choose my blend tool, click from inside to the one outside. All right, so you can see we achieved something like a pyramid right here. Okay, so this is one of the things you can play around with the blend tool and know what you can achieve. Okay, so I have something looking like a bulb. It might not be an ideal bulb that someone can create, but it looks like a light above shining down this pyramid looking like stairs, all right, stairs pyramid to the top of it. All right, so you can play around with other objects and know what you can get. All right, it's a very simple tool to use, and there are so many complicated things you can do with it. This is just a very simple one of them. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show you how to create something unique like this, a tunnel like design, right, that you can use to do your illustrations, right, with the next tool that we are going to look into. So right, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button so that you get notifications whenever we post the next video. See you in the next video, everyone.